What happens when you eat a high-protein breakfast?
High-protein breakfasts have been shown to benefit muscle health and help you lose weight by increasing muscle mass, energy expenditure, calories burned, stress hormones, glucose control and reducing cravings for dinner. Here are some suggestions on how to look or get an appointment for antique drinks. Drink plenty of water, celery and skim or 1% milk. Avoid soda and sugar drinks that are not 100% fruit juice. Occasionally drink low-calorie drinks and 100% fruit juice. Drink a glass of water 30 minutes before meals to help digestion. Remember not to drink water too soon, before or after a meal, as water will dehydrate the digestive tract. Drink water an hour after a meal to allow the body to absorb nutrients. Delicious food that helps you fast? It sounds too good to be true. No doubt, weight loss is based on simple math. You need to eat fewer calories than you burn. Some foods can help you lose weight, says Heather Mingier RD, spokeswoman for the Academy of Diet and Nutrition. Foods high in soluble fiber include dried beans, bran, wheat bran, oranges, apples, strawberries, beans and potatoes. Insoluble fiber foods include bran, wheat, whole grains, seeds and skins of many fruits and vegetables. Tea and coffee are good sources of caffeine and antioxidants. Coffee contains twice as much caffeine as tea and can give you instant energy. Tea contains L-theanine, a chemical that slowly converts caffeine to give you energy. Visit your internal health reference library for more advice. How can your fasting on whole foods help you lose weight? Studies have shown that people who eat a diet rich in whole foods are more likely to maintain a healthy weight. In addition, a weight loss diet based on whole foods improves various health parameters, including lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Is it better to eat slowly? The benefits of eating slowly include better digestion, better hydration, easier weight loss or maintenance, and satisfaction with our diet. At the same time, eating fast food leads to poor digestion, weight gain and low satisfaction. When you eat slowly, you digest better,